All right, it's 2026 and we have our second distributor for the year coming through, and it is a well-known company that we have been doing some work with for some time now. It is Harrop Engineering. Now, Heath, Mark and Greg are here at the moment doing the training. I did a podcast this morning with Heath down at Caloundra. Awesome company, really great guys, some really interesting information.
Just don't think they got their product strategy right when they took the Camry and put a front-wheel drive supercharged these.
Harrop really set the standard in Australia for manufacturing, and we are proud to have them a part of our team as a distributor for Just Auto's products.
I'm Heath Moore, Managing Director of Harrop Engineering, and we're based in Melbourne, and we've just celebrated our 70th anniversary, so a lot of history here in Australia.
For over 3 decades, one of the key suppliers and innovators to the industry has been Harrop Engineering in Melbourne.
The Harrop legacy is still very much within the business. Tim Harrop is 3rd generation as our operations manager. Some guys have been with us for over 35 years. So it's that knowledge within the business that makes us who we are. So Harrop is an engineering company, but also a manufacturing company, and a rich history based in Melbourne, Australia. But everything that's vehicle related is really where we specialise. If it moves, we've often got components that support it. And when I talk about vehicles, that could be trams, trucks, trains, vehicles, 4-wheel drives, streetcars, and even aircraft. So we've got a diverse range of capabilities, but it's typically powertrain related. Harrop's got this synonymous name with motorsport, and now high performance. Most people that know cars in Australia will recognise the Harrop brand, and superchargers are a really big part of that. Harrop's got this rich history with manufacturing high performance parts with exacting tolerances, and we've been able to take that knowledge and transfer that into aftermarket products that suit our enthusiast customers. As a manufacturing and engineering partner with Just Autos, there's the sump product that's been released for the 300 series, but I'm sure there's going to be other opportunities for us to collaborate to bring the best possible product to market for the Just Autos group. With EasyTune, I was blown away with the level of sophistication. In terms of the aftermarket, I don't think there's any other packages that are available that have got that level of R&D and accessibility that they've achieved with EasyTune. Toyota is such a popular brand within Australia, and when I started to understand the level of refinement that Just Autos offers with those packages, I could see there was an opportunity for us to offer that to our customers in Melbourne at our site in Preston, and we established that about 10 years ago, really to offer a retail experience and for Just Autos customers that are based in Victoria more broadly. It's a really comprehensive induction, from greeting the customer to how you handle the inquiry, how you respond to the inquiry, right through to the vehicle handover, working on the vehicle in a workshop, the processes and all of the little 1%ers that need to be followed consistently to make sure the package complies and is exactly what it needs to be. Well, as a team, we're excited to be here to understand intimately the Just Autos process and understand how we can best adopt Just Autos framework into our business and on board the process of offering Just Auto packages for the Melbourne market and Victorian market.
If you're looking for a Just Autos package, please get in contact with the guys at the front. That is what they're there for. They're more than happy to take your calls.